Round 2 of slop bucket. See how they take it. Oh boy, not good. Again, they run away from it. Maybe they're gonna take to it a little quicker this time though.
I like the eggs.
They do. They always freak out when I throw food in here. Yeah, they're taking to it quicker now. Last time they didn't know what to do. Pretty silly.
That's right.
Yeah, they're taking it down. All right, let's get their water. Ready? That one? Yeah, we'll fill their... We don't need to move the feeder. You want to fill it? All right. Good work, Odie. You gonna fill them? Are you cold? It's kind of chilly out. A little bit. Okay. Good job. All right, now spray this out. They're going kind of crazy for the slop now. Good job. That's perfect. All right, let's go check the goats. Yeah. Yep, I can. It kind of spins off here, so you just kind of spin it like that, and then it comes off. Good job. Oop, hose popped out. Okay, put it in their feeder. In the feeder, not on the ground. Oh, there's Pecky. There's our third goat over there. Hey, chickies. They're drinking more water. No. Hopefully none of these should be a rooster, Odie.
Yeah.
These are all supposed to be females. Maybe. So the turkeys, I don't know, and the guinea hen, I don't know for sure. Or the, I'm sorry, the silky. Guinea hen is something different. We got a silk. I meant the silky. So those might be. Get it. Push. There it goes. Good job. Got it.
Bye.
Bye, friends. Hope you have a good day. See ya.